actually, after the last video you guys seen that I posted, I'm actually gonna drive the car. I'm gonna go see my daughter, spend time with my daughter real quick before I go to work. So I'm gonna use the Scat, take it on the drive over there, and then take it on the drive back, so I'll get some content for you guys, so you guys can have more footage of the daytime driving in the Scatpack with the V8. You know, you get to hear the V8, etc., etc. I don't know what this guy's doing. Right now I got on sport mode, on the manual mode. About to turn on the app right here for you guys. Performance pages. It's a lot of snow, as you guys can see. That's why it's barely let me not say the S word, but it's barely stuff that can be done. You know what I'm saying? I can't really do a lot of pools and stuff like that. That's harder. You could have before because of the weather. Roads are bad, but I can slide the car. That's what I like doing anyway. Doing that is just so much fun. Don't forget to share my video, guys. Don't forget, people watching my videos, don't share them or like them. Make sure you like and share the video. That way my videos can reach more popularity. Therefore, I reach a larger audience and grow more, you know what I'm saying? The more I see people want to see more, the more I can make, you know what I'm saying? I'll make it happen even though I got one day off of work. I'll make more videos happen, trust me. Just leave a like, and if you're new, obviously subscribe to the channel, man. If you like the content, because I have a whole bunch of content with the Scatpack drifting and all that. try to give you some clips of me sliding the car before I get back. Before I park the car back in the spot, so I'm trying to give you some. Dry right now, so see what I can make happen. How we do it. Leave a like and share the video for that, man. Ain't nobody doing that over here, bro. Ain't nobody doing that around here where I'm from. It's crazy. Try to do one more and then we're gonna get out because, you know, people around here don't like that. Dry right now, so I don't really want to waste my tires at all. I'm trying to save them for when it rains again or whatever. It's still snow, but it's supposed to snow again and rain again this whole week, so I like when I slide the car, I like sliding in wet weather because it saves tire, you know? Tires are expensive. The ones I got, they're the stock tires, but they're expensive because I don't have no cheap brand tires in the back though. I got some Comho Extras. So they're like $150 a piece, you know what I'm saying? $300 for a set, for the rear set only, or $600, you know what I'm saying? It's expensive compared to other cars that I had, you know what I'm saying? A tire would cost maybe, for a brand new one, be like $70, you know? Used one, $40, you know what I'm saying? This car is just expensive, bro. That's why I don't really slide it much, only when it rains or snows, is because of that reason. It's expensive. But hope you guys like the video. Leave a like I said, share the video through all social medias, and if you're new to the channel, make sure you subscribe, you know what I'm saying? Ring that notification bell, because there's more content like this going to be coming, more driving, more POV, more racing, etc. I do everything, so I just do it because I like it, you know what I'm saying? I don't do it because, you know, to benefit anybody. It's not like anybody gonna commenting down below like, yeah, do this, do that. No, I just do it because I like doing it, bro. This is me. You can ask anybody that knows me, man. This is who I am. This is what I do. So like to see more of me and what I do, make sure you subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. All right, peace.